Very good morning to all of you. I think maximum participants have joined the class, so we should start. Am I audible to all? Okay. So we will start in continuation with yesterday's topic. Regarding first, we have studied entropy. Okay. Then we have started with source coding theorem. We discussed two new words, that is efficiency. Efficiency we have discussed. L we have discussed. Code redundancy we have discussed. Okay. So now today, just in continuation with entropy, one small topic was left. That was properties of entropy. Okay. So write down few points in this. Properties of entropy. Write down in consider a DMS. Consider a DMS whose mathematical model is defined by equation see student, what is entropy? Entropy is H of M. So it will have some maximum and minimum limit. So minimum limit should be 0. All are positive entity. So 0 less than equal to H of M. Okay. And what will be the highest value of this entropy? We have found that highest value when all the messages are equiprobable, it is this. Okay, where K is the radix. So this is the value of entropy H of M. Okay, write down the entropy H of M of such source is bounded as follow. So this is the upper bound and lower bound. And question can be asked to prove this, that entropy minimum is 0 and maximum is that. So you have to derive the equation for that. Okay. So now first property of entropy you have to write down H of M equals to 0. H of M कब 0 हो सकता है students? When we have only one probability, highest probability is 1. ठीक है? Then only your log P will be 0. The information carried will be 0. ठीक है? So H of M is 0. Write down if and only if probability Pk is equal to 1 for some value of k. And the remaining probability in the set are all 0. ठीक है? कितने भी number of messages हो, कितने भी events हो, but if a single message is having the whole probability, that is the highest probability 1, ठीक है, then H of M will be 0. For some k and the remaining probability in the set are all 0. This lower bounds on entropy corresponds to no uncertainty. Corresponds to no uncertainty. Okay, students? Second, upper bound is the highest value. Okay, so write down h of m is equals to log k to the base 2 if and only if and only if pk is equals to 1 by k. Okay, with all equiprobable messages. If 4 messages are there, the probability will be 1 by 4. Okay, for all k. This upper bounds on entropy corresponds to maximum uncertainty. Okay, these are the major two properties of entropy. Next, write down. Next, third, h of m is non-negative. ठीक है, that is h of m is greater than equal to 0. We all know this. Okay, h of m is non-negative. Then write down next property. We have find out the maximum also. We have found maximum also of entropy. So how we can define the next property? That h of m is maximum at p is equals to 1 minus p equals to half. This we have proved. ठीक है ना, for two entropies. This was the graph. This is the probability. This is h of x. Half, 1 and 0. Okay, this we have seen. So h of m is maximum at p is equals to 1 minus p. And what we can say next? We can say that this h of m, that is entropy curve, is not sharp. The maximum of h of m entropy curve is not sharp. These are the properties of entropy. Okay, upper bound, lower bound. Now students, one homework is there. You have to prove the upper bound condition of entropy. That is your homework. ठीक है, prove this equation of entropy जो हमने मार्क की है, 0 less than equal to hm less than equal to log k to the base 2. This is homework for you guys. Okay, so next topic, now we will start with Shannon-Fano coding. So write down next heading. Shannon-Fano coding. These are the source coding techniques. Whatever information is coming in terms of probability, we will convert that information into some code words. ठीक है, source encoding here we are doing. ठीक है, and we want that its efficiency should be very high. Okay, so write down the procedure. Now you have to write the procedure or the steps how you have to perform this coding. So first step is write down, list the source symbols, in order of decreasing probability, in order of decreasing probability. Step 2, partition the set, Step 2, partition the set into two sets, partition the set into two sets that are as close to equiprobable probability as possible. Again, I am repeating. Partition the set into two sets that are as close to equiprobable probability as possible. ठीक है? And assign 0 to upper set and 1 to lower set. 0 to upper set and 1 to lower set. Clear? Step 2. Now step 3. So step 3, write down. Continue this process till last partition. Continue this process till last partition. And hence eventually the code will be generated. So students, you can read the code. I'm giving you 1 minute. Just read the steps. So finished? We will continue with one example so that you will understand it very nicely. So take one example. Write down a DMS has six symbols and the probabilities are given as write down students, P1 0.30, P2 0.12, P3 0.08, P4 0.10, P5 0.25, P6 0.15. Now what you have to do? Construct Shannon-Fano code and find efficiency of system. ठीक है? So now I will start. Whenever we have to construct these codes, we have to draw one table so that it will be a systematic approach we can generate, and it will become very much easier to understand the logic. So we will construct a table. So at least you will require 7 to 8 columns. So prepare that much space in your copy. Okay, and I will start drawing the table. So students, first is the given parameter. What is given to you is your, we are taking that these messages are named as xi. So x1, x2, x3. How many messages symbols are given? 6, with 6 different probabilities. Now the first step is always we have to put these probabilities in. क्या लिखा हमने step 1 में? Yes students, please read the step 1. क्या है step 1 में? Yes, write in the chat box. What we have to do now? ग्रुपिंग से पहले क्या करना है? Yes, decreasing order of probability. So do that in your copy. Do that in your copy. P of xi वाला कॉलम फिल करो. Do that in your copy. Shivani, you are attending the lectures continuously, or this is your first lecture, or after a long break you are attending the classes? What happened to you? Yes, Shivani, are you there? Why you are not attending the classes regularly? So I think students have written network problem. तो बेटा फिर कैसे अटेंड करोगे? तुम बाद में भी वीडियोस नहीं सुन सकते if network problem is there. In which place you live? कहाँ रहती हो? Suvarna is not that small place. You can get a good network. Port your connection. Try to get better one, because the whole semester will run like this. So you will just please try. Otherwise you will be in loss of your studies. So students, here P of x है, सबने लिख लिया होगा I think. In decreasing order, तो highest probability क्या है यहाँ पे अभी? It is 0.30. ठीक है, उसके बाद next is I think 0.25. Yes, next is 0.25. Then it is 0.15. Okay. Then it is 0.12. Okay. Then 0.10. Then it is 0.08. ठीक है, इस तरीके से मैंने लिख लिया. नाउ आई विल प्रिपेयर अ ग्रुप ऑफ दिस. सो ग्रुप के लिए मैं सबसे पहले लिखूंगी यहाँ स्टेप 1. ठीक है, step 1, what I will do, I will have to prepare a partition. So I will try adding these probabilities which are in sequence. So first I will use a different color of pen so that you will understand the concept. See students, first I will add these two. ठीक है, I will try this combination. If these are not equiprobable, then I will try this 3 and this 3. Okay, so first combination में क्या हो रहा है, 0.30 और 0.25 एडिशन होने के बाद what I am getting it as 0.55. okay, first set. Second set I am getting as, what is the total of this 0.15, 0.12, 0.10, 0.08? Students, please tell me the total. क्या आ रही है सेकेंड सेट की टोटल? Yes, that is 0.45. Very good. 0.45. So this is the first try I am giving. Now the second try. First set में क्या आ रहा है, जल्दी बताओ. फर्स्ट सेट में क्या आएगा फॉर सेकेंड ट्रायल? Okay. Third trial I can give that I will use now another color again. I can use this, only this and remaining. ठीक है. इस केस में क्या आएगा, फर्स्ट सेट में आई विल हैव 0.30 and in second set total will be और क्या हो जाएगी स्टूडेंट, टोटल 0.70. इज इट ओके? ठीक है. See students, first step you have to write all these probabilities in decreasing order. उसके बाद मुझे ऐसे दो सेट बनाने जो इक्वी प्रोबेबल हो. तो आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू द एग्जांपल्स कि which set is near about same. So I have taken first combination of these two numbers 0.30 and 0.25. ठीक है, ये सेट की मैंने वैल्यूज यहाँ लिख दी है. उसके बाद मैंने लिया सेकेंड सेट, upper 3 probabilities and lower 3 probabilities, that is my this second set. Now you can have third set also. I am taking just first probability and remaining all other probabilities I am adding. I want to find the best possible set which are equiprobable. Okay, so I got these three sets. Now students, which set is appropriate to use? Tell me that. Write down in your chat box. I'm waiting for the answer. First, okay. बाकी बच्चे क्या कहते हैं? So first set is the most equiprobable set we are having. So now what I will do, I will start partitioning it over here. So partition के लिए मैं पेन green use में ले लेती हूँ. So here I am doing partition. ठीक है. So वो partition में values क्या आएगी यहाँ पे मेरी, जो भी मैंने partition किया है. See students, you can write the total over here. इस partitioning की you can write the total over here. 0.55. यहाँ कहीं छोटा सा स्पेस दूसरा कलर का पेन यूज में लेके पूरा ब्रैकेट बना के टोटल लिख लो 0.45. इस तरीके से ब्रैकेट बनाओ और टोटल लिख लो. ठीक है. देन व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट स्टेप इन दिस? assign 0 to the upper set and 1 to the lower set. So this is my upper set. ठीक है, ये upper set है मेरा और lower set को सारी values probability की 1. So this is right now my lower set. This is my upper set. Is it clear? Next step, what I will do, I will partition these and these values. ठीक है. अब मैं वापस आगे पार्टीशनिंग करूंगी, टोटल करूंगी एंड देन आई विल मूव अहेड. एक पार्टीशन ऊपर है, एक पार्टीशन नीचे. अब इसमें से आई विल प्रिपेयर अगेन 2 सेट फ्रॉम द लोअर बाउंड. ठीक है, इन सब में से एक सेट बनेगा, इसमें से एक सेट बनेगा. अब जहां दो वैल्यूज है तो ऑटोमेटिकली 2 सेट्स विल बी देयर. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स. स्टेप 2, अगेन हियर वी विल हैव दिस पार्टीशन. ये पार्टीशन तो कंटिन्यू होगा मेरा. ठीक है, दिस इज द कंटिन्यूएशन. और अब क्या होगा, ऊपर वाली वैल्यू 0, नीचे वाली वैल्यू 1. तो दिस इज कंप्लीट. बिकॉज सिंगल पार्टीशन जब तक नहीं होगा, यू हैव टू repeat all the steps. Now here students you can have 0.15. See here you have to prepare the set. तो पहला सेट बनता है 0.15 का और दूसरा सेट क्या करूंगी मैं, आई विल ऐड ऑल दीज थ्री वैल्यूज, सो इट विल बी इक्वल टू 0.30 आई थिंक, यस 0.30. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, 0.15 का एक सेट बनेगा सेकंड सेट में, फर्स्ट सेट, और दूसरा मैं तीनों को ऐड कर दूंगी, या मैं इस तरीके से भी सेट बना सकती हूँ. फर्स्ट सेट विल बी 0.27, ओके, एंड सेकेंड सेट विल बी और 0.18. So now these are the two examples. ठीक है, it's your wish how you want to continue. It will be much better if I will have this set. So what will happen here, I will have just a unique code. अगर मैंने ये वाला सेट लिया तो देखो स्टूडेंट्स ये बनेगा, ठीक है, और अगर मैं सेकेंड वाला सेट लेती हूं तो यहां मेरा सेट बनेगा 0011. इज इट क्लियर? if I'm using first set 0.15 0.30, ठीक है, then I will get this type of partitioning. If I use this second set I will get this type of partitioning. But what is the benefit of using this first? That I will get a unique code of 0.15 also, that is 10. I want unique code, that means each message should have its unique code. No code should be repeated. अब इस केस में क्या होगा, अगर मैं सेकेंड केस लेती हूँ तो आई एम हैविंग 1010. अगेन आई हैव टू पार्टीशन दिस सेट. ठीक है, इट्स अ क्लेवरनेस दैट वी शुड रिड्यूस द नंबर ऑफ पार्टीशंस so that number of bits will be reduced. Is it clear students, this concept? I can use this set or this set, any of the set, and again I will do the partitioning. अगर मैं पहला सेट लेती हूँ तो तीन कोड्स के मेरे पार्टी से सॉरी तीन जो इनपुट मैसेजेस है उनके कोड्स रेडी है. फर्स्ट मैसेज का कोड है मेरा 00, सेकेंड का है 01, थर्ड का है 10. ठीक है, if I am using this, remaining three again I have to partition. Clear? Remaining three again I have to partition. If I use this system, then I will generate only first two code. Remaining codes are pending. ठीक है ना? So again I am creating a new sheet student. पहले समझ लो उसके बाद तुम तुम्हारा टेबल बनाना. Clear? So now again I have to do partition. I will use a different color pen over here. अगर मैंने ये सेट बना लिया तो अब मुझे क्या करना है, इन तीनों की पार्टीशनिंग करनी है नेक्स्ट स्टेप में. So I can use this set of partition, so I will get 0 1 1. ठीक है, fourth code is generated. Fourth code is your 1 1 0. ठीक है, it is 1 1 0, the fourth code. Okay, next I have to partition these two set, so I will get again new code that is 0 1. तो मेरा लास्ट कोड क्या हो जाएगा, 1 1 1 0, and last code will be all ones I think. So in this way I will generate my code. So now I am preparing a new slide. ठीक है, and we will prepare a fair table now. So if you want to ask anything student. So now prepare a fair table. I think maximum students understood the concept. This is the fair table we are drawing. So which code we are studying? Shannon-Fano. So probabilities, messages are from x1. तुम फेयर टेबल में अच्छे से लिखोगे सारी वैल्यूज. x6. Okay. Probability values are 0.30, 0.25, 0.15, 0.12, 0.10, 0.08. Is it clear? Now, step 1. I will prepare a partition. Any you can prepare. इसके साथ में तुम क्या कर सकते हो? डिजाइन वन मोर टेबल एंड इक्वी प्रोबेबल हाफ हाफ करके भी बना सकते हो. ठीक है. इसकी वैल्यू आ रही है मेरी टोटल वैल्यूज कमिंग आउट टू बी 0.55. Here value is coming out to be 0.45. ठीक है. Now I will make a partition. So here I will get the values as. कैसे लिखोगे स्टूडेंट्स वैल्यूज? What will be here? What I will write here? Yes, कौन बताएगा? What I will write in step 1 here? Am I audible to all? Okay, very good. 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. Next step. Again partitioning. ठीक है. Only 2 numbers are left. So one will be termed as 0, other will be termed as 1. Now I will partition over here. यहाँ पे मैं ये पार्टीशन कर रही हूँ. तुम्हारी इच्छा हो तुम दो दो को लेके भी कर सकते हो. ओके. सो आई विल गेट 0, 1, 1, 1. Next step. Step 2 completed. Step 3 I have generated. See, no need to move ahead in step 3 for these first 3 probabilities. We have generated a unique code that is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. No need to continue these probabilities in next step. Okay. So now I will move ahead. So अब partition कहाँ शुरू होगा? ये तो complete हो चुका है यहाँ तक. ठीक है. Now I will partition this 0, 1, 1. Clear? Now step 3 I generated the fourth code, and what is the value of that code? 110. Okay. Now again I will partition the next code. ये continue हो गया यहाँ पे, and this I will generate 0 and 1. So I got the next code as 1110, all ones. So you can see, students, I am having an discrete memory source who is generating 6 different messages. Those messages can be transmitted, see, in any sequence: M1, M6, M4, M2, M1, M1, M3, M5. In this sequence or any of the sequence, the messages are propagating through the channel. Each message is having individual probabilities. ठीक है. And hence we can design a unique code. Oh, sorry students, instead of length I have to write here code. ठीक है ना. ये इंटरचेंज कर लेना. कोड है ये. लेंथ की वैल्यूज अभी हम यहाँ लिख लेंगे. ठीक है. So code is generated, that is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. And see, you can see these codes are very much unique in nature. They are uniquely decipherable. That means अगर मैं 0, 0 के साथ 0 के बाद अगर 1 आता है तो मेरा यही कोड जनरेट होगा. ठीक है. 0, 1 के बाद अगर वापस 1 आता है तो देर इज नो सच कोड ओवर हियर. इट विल चेक फॉर द नेक्स्ट बीट 1, 0. तो इट इज दिस कोड. ठीक है. इज इट क्लियर? सो नाउ दिस Shannon-Fano कोड हैज बीन जनरेटेड. 0.3 प्रोबेबिलिटी वाला जो मैसेज है मेरे पास, उसकी वैल्यू, उसका कोड है मेरे लिए 0, 0. ठीक है. So now I will find the length of each code because that is very important. So the value of first length is 2, 2, 2, 3, 4 and 4. So highest length of the code is 4 and the minimum length is 2. Okay, student, if you want to ask any doubt. Any doubt? Okay, so continue. Now next what we have to find here? Tables अपने बना लिए. The chart is ready in your copy. So now next what we have to find? This is the Shannon-Fano code generated. Now we have to find its efficiency. Efficiency. So I'm moving to the next slide. Table is complete. So how to find efficiency, students? Who can tell what should be the procedure to find efficiency? We all know the formula of efficiency also. So now how we will find this term? इसके लिए मुझे क्या क्या find करना पड़ेगा? Yes, please, student, be interactive in the class. जल्दी बताओ कैसे फाइंड करेंगे, क्या पैरामीटर्स हमें फाइंड करने पड़ेंगे. Then L. Okay, very good. Hx by L. ठीक है. So how I will find hx over here? hx कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? Very good. So how I will find hx? hx is equal to summation Charu. What happened? Okay. So efficiency से पहले हम फाइंड करेंगे h of x. h of x is equal to summation I equal to 1 to 6. We all know. ठीक है. pi log 2 1 upon pi, which is equal to minus summation I is equal to 1 to 6 pi log 2 pi. Now students, please find out this value. So how you will write h of x is equal to, there are 6 probability terms, so minus you can take out common 0.30 and minus के साथ तुम 1 upon log 2 to the base e common निकाल सकते हो. Yes or no? 0.30 log 0.30 to the base e plus 0.25 log e 0.25 plus continuation में करो. Is it right, student? The way I am writing, is it right or not? Okay, so find out the value. Use your calculator and please find out the value. If it's right and if it needs some correction, please tell me. Yes, do it fast. Well, student, use your calculator. What is the value of hx? Yes, student, how much time? क्या वैल्यू आ रही है एच ऑफ एक्स की? And unit will be it is 2.396. अदिति, और भी कोई बच्चे जिनका आंसर आ गया हो? We can verify. Then students, we have to find L. L का फॉर्मूला था मेरा समेशन I इक्वल्स टू 1 to 6 PI NI. What is NI? Who can tell me what is NI? क्या है NI? Any other answer? NI is my maximum chord length which I have written in the table. NI is my maximum chord length which I found in the table. So 0.30 के साथ ही length 2, 0.25 into 2, 0.18 into 2. I think first three chords की 2 थी length. It is 0.15. Sorry, है ना? I have written wrong, student. This is 0.15. 0.15 के बाद मेरी वैल्यू थी 0.12. 0.12 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई होगा 3 प्लस 0.10 into 4 plus 0.08 into 4. So this will be the value of L. Find out, and in next class do tell me the answer. H of x are 2.418. See student, this value of h of x should be very much approximate. So at least after decimal 3 to 4 digits you have to consider and use your calculator in proper mode, because a 0.1 value will vary your efficiency a lot. So answers should be exact. जैसे कोई बच्चा कह रहा है 2.41 आ रहा है, और कोई आंसर? 2.41, 2.42. Okay, तो approximately it is 2.4 only. लगभग 2.41 के करीब ही आंसर आएगा इसका. 4182 जाके थर्ड डिजिट में कन्वर्ट होता है 42 में. ठीक है, so I have exact answers. Try to calculate properly, find out the L and then efficiency. So next class we will continue, students. In next class, do tell me the value of, okay, L is coming out to be 2.45. Very good. सभी का यही आ रहा है. Efficiency is coming out to be 82%, a very less efficiency you are telling me, students. So तुम्हारा h of x की वैल्यू सही नहीं है, बिकॉज L में तो कोई प्रॉब्लम है ही नहीं. इट्स वेरी सिंपल कैलकुलेशन. So students, there is a problem. Efficiency should be approximately 97 to 98%. This should be the efficiency. तो लगभग h of x तुम्हारा L के करीब होना चाहिए. 2.4234 ऐसा कुछ आना चाहिए यहाँ पे. ठीक है. So Pratibha is getting a good efficiency, 97.6. Till 98.5 you can get the efficiency. So all of you once again try it in your copy. Use calculator properly and find out the efficiency. Next class we will discuss. If you have any doubt, we can have a doubt session. Yes, you want to ask anything?